Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some various professions that you may have chosen as your career, including how to become, their opportunities, salaries and much more. Today's discussion will be about how to become a software engineer. Software engineering is a field that is vitally important to computer technology as a whole. Without the software to run the computer hardware, that hardware is simply a clump of plastic, silicon and metal, perhaps useful as an overpriced paperweight. Field of software engineering is appropriate for those candidates who have creative minds and want to develop something new using the computer programs. Today, software engineering is playing a key role in almost every sector. One can become a software engineer after qualifying the full-time professional course in related field. A number of courses at bachelor and master level is offered in this field. There is a 3-year diploma course is available on software engineering. But if you studied PCM, that is physics, chemistry, mathematics in class 12, you can pursue bachelor's courses in this field. Duration of these bachelor's courses is mainly for 3 to 4 years, including Bachelor of Technology or BTech in Computer Science and Engineering or Information Technology, Bachelor of Computer Application or BCA, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science or Information Technology. The master's courses having a duration of 2 to 3 years are MTech in Software Engineering, MSc in Information Technology and MCA. Also, there is a postgraduate diploma course available in Advanced Software and Network Technology. So, aspirants are eligible for undergraduate courses after clearing the higher secondary examination with PCM group. For admission to master courses, bachelor's degree in the relevant field is required. So, let's talk about eligibility and admission now. For UG courses, aspirants are eligible for undergraduate courses after clearing the higher secondary examination with PCM group. For admission to master courses, bachelor's degree in relevant field is required. The candidates can take the admission to undergraduate programs like PE or BTech on the basis of JEE Main. It is the national level entrance examination conducted in the month of April. Several universities and institutions also conducts their own entrance examination for providing admission. Admission to master's courses like ME or MTech will be done on the basis of GEAT or GATE 2020 examination. Some of the reputed engineering entrance examinations are JEE Advanced, VIT-EEE, NIMCET, MAH MCA CET, IPU CET, etc. Top colleges that offers courses in software engineering are Amity University in Gurgaon, BITS Pilani, NIT or National Institute of Technology in Kurukshetra and Durgapur, IIT or Indian Institute of Technology in Bombay, Hyderabad, Kharagpur, Delhi, Kanpur, Madras and Guwahati. There are huge scope for IT and CS students due to the fast growing of IT industries. Several career options are available in the field of software engineering. Plenty of jobs are available in a software company for software engineers. There is also a need of software engineers in public sector. After gaining good experience, you can start your own software firm. You can also work as a freelancer. Software engineers can also choose their profession in teaching. You can also work in public and private sector banks, school and colleges and financial institutions. As a software engineer, you can also run consultancy to develop and repair software as per the requirements of the clients. There is lots of scope for software engineer not only in India but also in abroad. Some reputed companies that recruit software engineers are Infosys, Accenture, TCS, Cognizant, IBM, Microsoft, Google, Oracle, Wipro Limited, HCL Infosystems Limited, Tata Infotech Limited, etc. So if you want to become a software engineer, wishing you a very bright future ahead. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to turn on the notification bell to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.